WordPress activity log plugin. We have developed a new plugin that's named the block cutter. This is the company name, and activity log, WordPress activity log and security audit. So this plugin you can easily manage your website. When you click the plugin, just add a new plugin, add plugin, just click here block cutter. So when you click block cutter, then comes here and install and activated this. Then when you click the another menu here, the block cutter log, when you click here, immediately the recently say this how it's happened, how your website control here, and this is the current hit on the system, anything sent, anything update, and anything your website data in your, you can get here the logs. And this is the system, and someone try to hit the login with wrong data, also stored it here. This is the security issue. So this is the setting, any setting, the username, which user changed any setting, any post, anything, you can store this. This was stored here, and you can check this and check this, everything is here. So when the active session means what's the login, this is my ID, I have login this. And security login, any plugin deactivated, activated, and anything security is there. You can see this, so like hacking type, any bot type, the login issue, or any types of 404 issue, then you can get easily. And setting, you can setting here automatically delete option, MB like 5 MB automatically delete this session, all the logs automatically deleted. You can manage this here. And from the support, any issue or any hacking type website or fix your website issue, we can help you to immediately. You can contact us, our mail, and our contact information is here. So this is our WordPress log plugin. You can see this, everything is here. I hope you can enjoy this. And for your track any user, track your website, you can use this plugin to do the best output, to get the best output. Like this is some on our website, this is our server IP is hitting this, when is any try to suppose wrong password and wrong username, when you hit here, so immediately we can get this. Just now when you come here and someone login failure, someone hit this username, so this IP is also showing his IP, which IP is hit this. So this is the complete WordPress log for you, what will be help for you. So when you delete everything, so just click the parts vault, this button. When you click the OK, everything has been deleted. So install and give me rating to motivate myself to make the more better plugin for you. Thank you. This is the completely free plugin.